Thanks so much for choosing NewTek and Novacina for your water activity testing needs. I'm David Golan, and I'm an instrument specialist here at NewTek, specializing in water activity. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through unboxing the LabMaster Water Activity Analyzer. So, the first thing that you're going to have when you open the box is some shockproof packing material. We recommend that you hang on to this in case you have any need for returns for repairs or an annual calibration or preventative maintenance, which can be performed by our technicians here at the NewTek Group. Please stay tuned at the end of the video for contact information. The first thing that you're going to see within the box is the unit itself. Secondly, you will have a box of accessories and the remaining packaging. Within the box of accessories, you are going to have a standard US power cable. The back of the unit has an outlet for the cable and an optional RS-232 cable. Each unit comes with a certificate of factory calibration. These in the future are going to be accessible online with your unit's serial number. 2 sleeves of our disposable sample dishes. If you need more of these, you can reach out to our sales team here at the NewTek Group. Each one of these sleeves is a dispenser for the individual sample cups, each with its own lid. And finally, a carrying case with all of your consumables. Inside of this consumable case, you are not going to have a certificate of calibration. These will be online and available digitally for your individual consumable salts. The LabMaster Neo comes with 6 individual salt calibration standards. Each one of these standards that reads at a set humidity comes with its own cup. Keep these cups. The salts should be resealed after each use so that you'll get the maximum lifetime out of them. They should last you between 2 and 4 years if stored correctly. Finally, if you have any chemical filters for volatiles, they will be in this case as well. The individual filters look like this. These are a consumable. If you have any questions regarding which filters to use or if you should have filters, you can request our data sheet on the individual volatiles and filters associated with them, or reach out to NewTek's team of service engineers. With that, you have everything you need to get started with your water activity testing. Thank you again for choosing NewTek and Novacina, and best of luck with your testing.